Right, so basically I'm going to show you how to apply a rollover to a page on Adobe Portfolio. So you can see I've got a set of pages here that I've created. I'm going to create a rollover on Brandalism. I'm going to go to Edit Cover Image. Okay, so this is the image you'll see on the portfolio before hovering over it. So I'm going to upload my regular image. So, yep, that's my oopsie image. You can change the scale for how you want it to look. I'm happy with that, so rollover. And now I'm going to upload my hover image. This is the image when you hover or roll over the original image. So this is a t-shirt I've created from that design, and I want the design to jump to the t-shirt. So just check regular, rollover, change the scale, scale it up until I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Click preview, and there you can see Brandalism, the hover, rollover, changing from the original design, digital, to the t-shirt. Thank you.